So, Stephen, we're less than 24 hours away from a decision from the Court of Appeal. And I was wondering how you're feeling at the moment about the announcement that's coming soon.
Well, I feel hopefully they'll do the right thing, and I can feel a little bit better after I hear it. Otherwise, I'm just waiting till I hear it, and I think I'll be good. There's enough stuff there to give me a new trial, so hopefully that'll be all done.
Yep, I mean you're a very patient man. It's been a long time coming. Your lawyer's appeal documents have been, I guess they've been in the court system for a few years now, but the final version has been there for well over a year. Tell me, what makes you patient during all this time?
I guess you learned that doing all of this time for something you didn't do. And I learned patience on my 18 years what I did. And so I was never like that. So hurry up and get done, then you get shut down.
Yep.
So now I don't think like that, and I just make it where when the decision is out, and then I can get my hopes up. A lot of people ask me, well, how do you get so much patience and just waiting on this? I said, well, you learn that. You get control. You got control of everything what you do. So you got to stay in control. You lose control, you lose everything.
Well, that's a good lesson for us all in life in general, Stephen. So,
but see, now I got help now because my mom is watching me now, and she's making stuff happen now. So that's another thing on my side. I talk to her every day, and she's doing good. She's waiting for me to get out.
That must be a great level of comfort for you, Stephen, knowing that your mother is around watching out for you and doing all she can to get you outside those prison doors.
Oh yeah, that feels wonderful. If I didn't have her, if she wasn't here with me, I'd probably be going up the wall.
Yep.
And she stopped me from doing that. So she's helping me.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
The best ma in the world.
Well, she certainly produced an amazing son in you, Stephen. So I think everyone outside really appreciates the value that Dolores is to you as a mother, both in the past and in the present. And we're grateful that she is surrounding you now and giving you that level of comfort.
Oh yeah. I feel good with her, and then all my supporters helping her and helping me, and pretty soon we'll see the truth out. So
yes.
Ma can go up in heaven and relax and have some fun up there. Yeah.
Well,
we'll see her family.
Yeah, she's certainly earned her place up there, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. You gotta believe in that. I want to believe in it so much, but after she died, she came to me, and I believe in all of that now.
Wow, that's fascinating. Just.
Oh yeah, it feels different.
Yeah.
It's hard to explain, but your whole body feels different.
Well, there's a wonderful message for us all in that, Stephen. So. Tell me, Steve. I guess tomorrow, Wednesday, the 28th of July, I suppose you're going to hear the result from your lawyer. I suspect that'll be the first way you hear about things. Do you feel what's your general overall emotion? Do you feel confident? Do you feel nervous? Do you feel? Tell me what you do feel.
Well, I feel like, they got so many decisions they can make, but I feel good about it, they should
Calls other than properly placed attorney calls may be monitored and recorded.
They should do the right thing because there is enough evidence there.
Yes.
So, but I feel confident that they're going to give me a new trial. With 8 Brady violations, one of them got a stick. So I feel good all about that.
Yes, to be honest, I feel confident as well. Even in the worst case situation where they don't deal with your appeal, they dismiss it. They have to give their reasons why, and those reasons will be very helpful to your cause. But I don't think we're going to get to that point. I think there's going to be a decision that moves your case forward.
Oh yeah. They got to do the right thing because the whole world is watching. So, they got to go by the law.
Yep.
And they got to put an innocent man out.
Absolutely.
They can't keep them locked up and just do nothing. They screwed up. So they got to fix it. And they got the power to fix it. Throw it out. Dismiss it all. Let the innocent go and get the real killer who did it, and put him in prison, and that's where he belongs.
Yes.
Guilty people belong in prison. Let the innocent out.
Steve, if you were talking, I hope you don't mind me asking you this question. If you were talking to Teresa Halbach now, what do you think her thoughts about all of this would be?
Well, she'd probably say it was crazy. Get the real guy. Leave Stephen alone. Stephen was a nice guy every time I saw her. Every time I seen him, he was nice and respectful, and she did her job, and I wish she could come to us and tell us.
Yes. Yes.
I feel sorry for their family because they had to go through it. Everybody suffers on this end. My end, their end. And people shouldn't have to suffer like that.
No, and it's
nobody should take a life.
And it's false justice to convict someone who is innocent of a crime. That can't be any comfort to Teresa and her family.
Yeah, and we need justice. That's the only way we can change something, and we'll get justice and get the law in there.
Yep. Tell me, Stephen, on a more practical note, this potentially could be my last telephone call to you in War Pond Correctional Centre. What do you think about that?
Yeah, that'd be nice. We could talk out there on my phone then. I don't have to set up a time in this. They can just call you.
Yeah. And I can call you, as can many of your friends.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. And get my phone back, and you give me a call, I'll give you a call. Yeah. Who's calling? Oh, Mark. Okay. Yeah.
Well, Steve, I won't hold you up with this particular call for much longer, but I just wanted to express the very, very best wishes from all your supporters outside who've got their fingers crossed, who've got their legs crossed, got everything crossed, in hope that the Court of Appeal's decision tomorrow will be a positive one for you. We 150% believe in your innocence, as we do for Brendan, and we're feeling very positive about the result tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I think it'll be all good. You know, all my supporters, I think, will be happy. And you know, I want to thank them for writing me and sending me money and everything what they did for me. I appreciate it so much.
Yeah. Well, all right, Steve, I'll let you go, and we'll talk again soon, hopefully as a very free man.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Thanks, mate.